Welcome back to GEM, where we transform ordinary managers into extraordinary leaders. Today, we're diving into a powerful coaching framework that's revolutionized professional development, the GROW model. Buckle up, because in the next few minutes, you'll master a tool that's helped countless leaders unlock their team's potential. Picture this. You're sitting with a team member who's struggling with a challenge. Instead of jumping straight to solutions, wouldn't it be amazing if you could guide them to discover their own answers? That's exactly what the GROW model helps you achieve. But first, what is GROW? It's not about plants or gardens, though it will help your team flourish. GROW is an acronym that stands for G, Goal, R, Reality, O, Options, W, Way Forward. Let's break down each element with real-world examples. First up, G for goal. This is where the magic begins. As a coach, your role is to help your team member identify what they want to achieve. The goal needs to be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to be better at presentations," guide them to something like, "I want to deliver 3 successful project presentations to senior management in the next quarter." Moving on to R for reality. This is where we get honest about the current situation. Think of it as taking a snapshot of the present moment. Ask powerful questions like, what steps have you already taken? What's working well and what isn't? What obstacles stand in your way? The reality phase helps identify hidden barriers and untapped resources. Now comes O for options, my favorite part. This is where creativity meets possibility. Your role is to help your team member brainstorm different approaches to reach their goal. The key here is to suspend judgment. Ask questions like, if resources were unlimited, what would you do? Or, what would your role model do in this situation? Finally, we reach W for way forward. This is where ideas transform into action. Help your team member select the best options and create a concrete plan. The magic questions here are, what specific actions will you take and by when? And how will you hold yourself accountable? Remember, the way forward should be broken down into manageable steps. Let me share a powerful success story. Sarah, a sales team leader, used GROW to help her team break through a performance plateau. Goal: increase quarterly sales by 25% within 6 months. Reality: analyzed current processes and identified that customer follow-up was inconsistent. Options: explored new approaches to customer relationship management. Way forward: implemented weekly check-ins and targeted skill-building workshops. The result? They exceeded their target by an additional 10%, and team confidence soared. Remember, great coaching isn't about having all the answers. It's about asking the right questions. The GROW model gives you those questions in a structured, memorable format. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. Keep the GROW model handy during your coaching conversations. It's not about rigidly following the steps. Let it flow naturally. With practice, it'll become second nature. If you found this video helpful in your leadership journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to GEM for more leadership insights. Share this with a colleague who could benefit from enhancing their coaching skills. And remember, great leaders aren't born, they grow. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more ways to unlock your leadership potential.